Hello ladies, this is Celine, your French certified dating and relationship coach and feminine energy mentor. I'm so happy to be with you today, and we are gonna discuss why you must go beyond the "it's his fault" behavior, okay? So before starting on the subject, I would like to invite you to get my awesome free 5 minutes powerful meditation. It is going to help you stay centered, stay aligned, whatever is going on in your life or your love life. And the description will be in the description of this video. So why you must go beyond the "it is his fault" behavior. Okay, so why am I talking about that? You know, even when you are being coached and you have appointments with me, like once a week, a lot can happen between coaching sessions. This is why it is so important to have a coach. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about what happened in my group coaching program today. So I have this client who, so she was kind of not even dating a guy, you know, it was really like the early beginnings, and it really went really fast. Okay, so and at some point she realized that it was too much. So the women in our circle said, you know, they were really supportive, and it was really a good thing, you know, because obviously this guy wasn't the one for her. But I've got to say, you know, when we work together, when I am your coach, I'm not just like here to be all nice with you and etc. Because you can have that with friends, with family, with other women in our circle. You know, you don't need me for that. You need me because you want to go from point A to point B in your love life, whether you are single or if you are in a relationship. If you're single, you want this guy, this relationship. You want a solid foundation for your relationship. And if you are married, you want to improve or save your relationship, if it is possible to save it, because it takes two to tango, right? But you're here to improve your relationship and to overall be happier in your love life. So this is what I'm helping you with, and you know, because I've been doing that for a very long time, and because I'm also a qualified energy healer, I'm really quick to tell you what the next step is and what you should learn, you know. So of course I was, I'm an empath, and so I'm really compassionate and everything. So really with a lot of love, respect, and kindness, you know, I was in this space with all these women, and I was like, yes, 100%, like he wasn't the one for you and stuff. But as a love coach, as your love coach, I have to say, I have to ask you a question, just one question, okay? And because everyone was telling her, like, he is the bad guy, he did that, he may be this, he may be that, and there is more. There is always more. You know, it takes two to be in whatever relationship. It takes two people. If you don't give power to someone, you know, it's another relationship. It could transform a relationship. So you have to be very conscious about the role, the part you play in whatever relationship. So I brought her to this space of saying, okay, this is not nice what happened and stuff. He's certainly not the one for you, but what do you learn? What did you learn from that? What are you going to do differently next time? You know, I was trying to make her understand that she has a responsibility in that. She has the ability to respond, and she had the ability to respond very early in what happened, and she didn't, because she didn't trust her intuition, one of her feminine gifts. She didn't, and because of that, on the very subconscious level, very subconscious, she allowed him to do stuff, and then, you know, at some point she really realized, so she came back into the consciousness to really realize that this was too much, okay? So then she tried to fix it, but the guy, it was too late because this wasn't the right guy for her. No questions about that. But you absolutely have to recognize, if you watch this video, give me some plus. Give me a plus in the comments if you understand the importance of how you behave in a relationship. Because in whatever relationship, you have the power to change the way this relationship is going, okay? So my role here is to ask you the good questions and to make you realize stuff that you may have not realized until now, so that you can take another route, another road to navigate, okay? So if you realize stuff just by watching this video, give me a heart, give me a thumb up. Please tell me in the comments if you realize this power that you have. You have immense power in your relationship just when you get out of this very, very unconscious victim mode, you know? And sometimes people around us, even if they are very kind and loving, they kind of box us into this victim mentality box. And you absolutely have to expand and to explode that to be in your full power. And you take your power back when you are responsible, when you are conscious, and when you really understand what is going on, okay? And you take another direction for your love life. So I hope this video was useful. Please give me some thumbs up. You can also contact me in the comments, and I will be very happy to answer any questions and or any comment. And if you want to contact me privately, you can send me an audio note via my website. I'm going to send you a lot of resources to explore in the video description, so that you have a lot of things to explore if you want to improve your love life, if you want to feel empowered. I'm here for you. I've got a lot of things that are going to be ready in a few weeks, in a few months. So get into my list so that I can email you when everything is coming. Okay. Mwah. A lot of love. Take care and bisous.